Hey guys, this is Poetspice, Jamie and Lola Tallulah. I am here to do the Stuff It collab for March. The whole point of this collab is to use your boxes, bags, purses, baskets, anything that you can do to create something where you can stuff crap in it, either for storage or to send to a friend or as a gift. So let me show you what I'm using. Today I'm using the Tonic gift bag slash box, and it is, I want to say it's the crocheted lace. I believe that's what this one is. And so I don't have the packaging for that one anymore. I just put it on here. So I believe that's what that one was. I will say this too. Of all of the Tonic pieces that I have, this one is the easiest and fastest to do. All right, so let me go ahead and show you my project using this paper. So I used this hot buy paper from Michaels. It's called the Tea Party, and it's been in my stash for a while. As a matter of fact, I had it in my stash to de-stash, and I was like, let me use this. So I'll show you what I did. You got a sneak peek at the beginning. So here is my box slash bag. I made a tag to go with it, and this has got a Graphic 45 sprig on it. It's double-sided using the paper from the bag, and this is some ribbon from the Crafter's Companion subscription box. So here's the bag. I did not do any of the cut-in work. I did just layers. So you see this piece, and then I layered it with the yellow stripe, and I absolutely just love this on the paper pad. I find it hard to use 12 by 12 paper pads that have sayings and stuff on them because I don't scrapbook. So I thought this would be fabulous that I could use this, and it fit perfectly. So see that? It's a rather tall box slash bag. It has this little piece here that you can use. There's a slit die that you can put in, so this will stick in there. Or you could use Velcro, or you could just not use it at all. You could just glue it down and have an extra little piece of strength in there or detail. So there's multiple ways that you can use that piece. But anyway, so here is my box bag for the month. I love this bag. I gotta go make some more. Definitely go check out the other ladies that are in the collab. Leave comments, like, subscribe if you would like to do so. I'm considering doing some kits for these to sell, so you can let me know if you're interested in that in the comments below. Also, if you'd like to see a tutorial of this, you can leave comments in the box below. Or if you want to see a tutorial on any other things that I have, you can check that out. I just did a tutorial on the teapot. Let me go show you those. I got to show you those real quick. So, if you did not see, I did a tutorial on the Tonic teapots. So I made this one. This was the first one I made. And I was gonna say, and the lid comes off, so you can stuff it with crap. Which I just realized is funny because my bag also says you're my cup of tea. And then I made this one for the tutorial. And I just love how these colors came out with the craft. And there you go. So cute. So there's also the teapots that I made. So that tutorial is up if you're interested in seeing that, as well as the cupcake, the Tonic cupcake, which you could stuff with other little goodies, or you could stuff it with food. Okay, so there's my unintentionally tea-themed projects. All right, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Go check out the other ladies.